Hello my beautiful friends on internet. As you can see, I have the Malta driving license and taxi tag as well. So today I am going to show you the full process as you can see in this picture, and the papers that I took the exams with my instructor. Let's see how many classes or test, mock test I pass or fail. This one fail, 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 fail. This one is passed. And again fail, 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 fail. This one passed. Fail, pass, fail, 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 pass, pass, fail, fail, pass, and pass. So I show you the how much I pass. I show you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and total paper is 24, and 7 I pass. In the trial, this is not the final exam. In the final exam, of course, I pass first time. So here, as you can see, I write everything details with proof I have. So as you can see in the corner, 2,417 euro I have spent to get license and tag. As you can see, December 22, 2023, I applied with the instructor. Application fee was 60 euro. So here insurance was 37, transport Malta 23 euro. December 27 means 5 days later I got my learner's permit. Then February 2028 I did my driving theory test, and in the middle only 2 classes I did with my instructor. So then I tell my instructor to apply for the practical test. He says you are not prepared, as before I didn't drive in my life. This is my first time learning and getting the driving license and tag. So the instructor said I am not prepared for the practical test, so he didn't wanted to apply. But I said I will take the as much as class needed, but please apply fast. So he didn't apply. So in May 5, 2024, I find another instructor and I contact him for applying practical test, and I give him maybe 205 euro for insurance for the application and for the applying like this. I did 89 classes and almost 30 classes trial test I did with him, and most of them I failed because in the last moment I passed most of them, so it helped me. 89 classes, too much classes I took. Then December 12 I applied for driving license for 5 euro. In December 10 I did my practical test. So it took 5 or 6 months for the practical test date. And December 12 I applied for driving license and taxi tag, as you can see here. And December 23 the driving test, theory test I did. December 20 got my driving license, and December 24 I applied taxi tag. February 24 I got my taxi tag. I hope this video will be helpful. If this video helped you a little bit, then subscribe to my channel will be awesome. See you in the next video.